Joseph, for some reason your message got retracted. T. Arnold, yours got retracted too. How many years of experience do you need to have a remote job? Right now, a lot of jobs are remote because COVID-19. So they're literally what you're witnessing. What we're witnessing right now is a change in fundamental behavior, where more companies are getting themselves prepped to do more teleworking and be able to switch just like that whenever something like this happens again, to switch to teleworking. And luckily, all of us are in IT in some way, shape, or form, so we have the benefit of being able to work from home. And unfortunately, some people can't. If you do construction or if you do civil engineering or something, or you have to be in an office, or you're a nurse or something like that, they can't always work from home. But we can. Like, a lot of our job can be done from home. So that is awesome about IT. And how much experience do you need? It really depends on the job, I would say. But on average, for what I do, risk management framework and cybersecurity analyst work, they're looking like for a solid 3 or 4 years of experience, right? But really depends on the job. Like, sometimes they're looking for junior level positions where you only need like 1 year of experience. Like this dude right here who has 2 years of experience. He's got Security Plus. He's got a bachelor's degree. This dude right here, he can get a remote job easy. So, and that's 2 years of experience. But yeah, I would say on average about 2-3 years of experience. But like I said, it just depends. I do know some people who are remote. They have to travel from site to site because they're a field tech. Field tech don't usually need that much experience. They work from home, but they have to travel to locations. So, and sometimes they can work remotely to fix a location remotely. But I hope that answers your question. It's not kind of a non-answer question there. It depends. That's the answer to that question. And what I could do, let me see if I could show you something. Let me see if I could display what I'm talking about here. Let's just do here's what we'll do. Jobs, cyber security. Watch this. Okay, all I did was I clicked jobs in Google. Google has this feature. I showed this last week, and then that video just released. Somebody asked me a similar question. So it's looking at...
I didn't understand.
It's looking in your location, right? And then let's just go right into this. Let's go to jobs. So here's some jobs right here, right? You can follow along with me. I just went to Google, typed in job, cybersecurity, whatever, just job, and then whatever work you do. It could be help desk, it could be risk management framework, it could be cybersecurity analyst, it could be forensics, whatever. But just put job, and then you search that, and it comes up with this search feature that Google has. Then what we do is, can you guys see this? Let me see. Can't really see this. It's kind of above. Anyway, you don't need that. You just need to see this right here. Now what you do, what I'm looking for is employers and then who are doing remote work. So now what we do is we go to location. We look for, work from home. See this little button right here? Work from home. Now here's a bunch of jobs with cybersecurity, and it's going to tell us how many years of experience that they're looking for. This job right here is with ADDX Corporation, work from anywhere. And this is a remote job, and they're saying they want 3 to 6 years of experience doing cybersecurity work. They explain kind of what the job consists of right here. Dev security ops, which I don't know nothing about. Security, a cybersecurity analyst with Siemens. And this is work from home. Let's see if we can see experience. They're not saying experience. I would contact them. They're not. This was 5 days ago though. So that's work from anywhere. Let's look at this one. I'm just trying to see like what kind of experience. And this one also doesn't have experience. Sometimes, like these jobs that they're not mentioning experience, it could be that they just want you to be able to do the job. If you can do the job, maybe they don't even ask you about that. Let's go to this next one. Cybersecurity engineering, 100% remote, or Charlotte, North Carolina, or South Carolina. I don't know which. I can't remember which one. I'm looking for to see if they will tell us. Seeing if they'll tell us how many. They're not saying how many years of experience. That's odd. Duration 12 months, but no experience. Could be a bad or good thing. I mean, they're not saying experience, so maybe they just want you to be able to do the job. They normally tell you work from home. All right, yeah, I would contact them. If you're following along with me, I would contact them. These look like some pretty decent jobs. But what you do is, like I said, I stand by what I said before. It depends on the job. It really depends. Some of them, like I've been at places where people, they weren't expecting you to have a lot of experience. They just want you to know how to do it. Right? I met dudes who didn't have a degree, didn't have no certifications. They just were brilliant. They just could walk in and just do the job. They had experience. They had 1-2 years of experience in the military, or maybe 4 or 5 years experience. They know how to do the job. They didn't have a degree and have nothing. And these guys are my mentors, by the way. I really looked up to them. They really taught me a lot about how to think through problems technically. I really wish I can get those guys to teach some stuff. But such is life.